students, I welcome you all to my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi with the same topic ratio and proportion, but today we will be discussing age based problem. So here we have part 2 of age based problem, which is the type 5. Okay, so the first question here we have the sum of the age of father and his son is 100 years. Nothing is mentioned, that means this is the present age. At present, the sum of son and father's age is 100 years, right? 5 years before, what was the ratio of their age? Father with son, the ratio was 2:1. Of course, 2 is bigger, that means 2 has to be 2 should represent the age of father. So father age ratio with son's age ratio is 2:1 5 years ago. The ratio of the age of father and son after 10 years will be. So first of all, we should know the present age of father and son, and then in that we will be adding 10 so that we will be getting the new age. Okay, new ratio after 10 years. So for that, what we have to do, first of all, this is the present, this is the 5 years ago's age. Ratio is given 5 years ago. So father's age 5 years before and son's age 5 years before is 2x and 1x. But at present, the age of father should be 2x plus 5. Father अभी तो 5 साल बड़े हो गए ना, ये तो 5 साल पहले की age है. And son's age will be x plus 5. Now this we have to substitute here in place of this son plus father is equals to 100. This is the first equation. We will be substituting the value of son and father's present age. So present age is x plus 5 plus 2x plus 5, right, is equals to 100. This gives me 3x plus 10 will go to that side, which makes it 90. 100 minus 10 is 90. So the value for x will be 30. As soon as I get the value for x, I can substitute this value in the present age of father and son, which is going to give me father's present age, which is 2 multiply 30 plus 5, which is 65. And son's present age will be 35, right? After getting this present age, what we will be doing? We have to get ratio of father age with son age, but after 10 years. So 75 ratio 45, which is going to simplify. We can simplify this. So 15 3s are 45, 15 5s are 75. So 5 ratio 3 will be the answer for this problem. So you can see with the basic method, it is too much time taking. With the shortcut method also, we can do this question. I'll show you how it will be done. First of all, it is given father plus son age is 100, which is at present. And just for the understanding, because the question is not visible here. So 5 years ago, the ratio of father with son was 2:1. So अगर अभी दोनों की age का sum at present, if the sum is 100, so 5 साल पहले क्या sum होगा? फादर की एज में से भी 5 माइनस करेंगे, सन की एज में से भी 5 माइनस करेंगे. दैट मीन्स ओवरऑल 100 में से 10 माइनस करना है. एज मेनी पर्सन हैज बीन इंक्लूडेड हियर, दोज मेनी टाइम्स वी विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 5. So 2 person are there. So 5, that means 10 will be subtracted. So 5 years before, father plus son age was, according to ratio, the sum was 3x. But according to the original problem, it should be 100 minus 10, which is 90. So the value for x will be 30. We can substitute this value here, which gives me father and son's value, age value, which is 60 and 30. Right? But this is 5 years before. So at present, it is going to be 65 and 35. And then we will be adding 10 in both, so that we will be getting 75 and 45. After reducing it, we will get our answer 5 ratio 3. These everything can be done mentally also, right? Next question we have, my grandfather was 9 times older than me. This is me. And this is my grandfather's age. So at present, I don't know what is the ratio. But 16 years before, this is at present. I don't know what is the situation right now. But 16 years before, my grandfather was 9 times older than me. If I was of 7 years, my grandfather would have been of 9 multiplied by 7. That means 63 years old. So based on my age, because it is ratio, we can multiply it by any number. So that is why we can cross check it. Okay. So this was the scenario 16 years before. 16 years before, my grandfather's age. This is my grandfather's age and this is mine age. I was of 1 year, so grandfather was of 9 years. 1x, 9x can be considered. Whatever is my present age, if I go 8 years after scenario, my grandfather will be 3 times of my age. 8 साल के बाद में अगर मैं 1 year की हूँ, 1x की हूँ, so grandfather will be 3x. If I am of 7 years old, grandfather will be 7 multiplied by 3. That means 21 years old he'll be. Right? So accordingly, we have to move. Now, 8 years ago, the ratio of my age to that of my grandfather age. This we have to calculate. So first of all, we should understand this concept. What has been given? With the help of basic method, how I will be doing? This is 9x grandfather's age and this is my age 1x. If I add 16 into this, I will reach at the present age. This is the present age. In this present age, 9x plus 16, I am simplifying this. 1x plus 16. If I go after 8 years, the ratio is going to be 3:1. So in short, 9x plus 24 upon 1x plus 24 is going to give me an equation. This equation, if I simplify, I will be getting the value of x. That value can be either substituted here or here, anywhere. And then whatever they have asked, we will be doing it accordingly. But if we have to do this question with the help of shortcut method, we always have to take the help of that difference concept. कि जितने years की age grandfather की increase हो रही है, if I am talking about after 8 years scenario, so of course grandfather की age में भी 8 years ही add on हो रहे हैं. So whatever was difference between my age and my grandfather's age, exact the same difference should be there because we both have moved same number of years. So 9:1 was the ratio 16 years before. At present, I don't know what is the ratio. And after 8 years, the ratio is going to be 3:1. Right? This is given to us. So the difference here I have of 2 and here it is given of 8. Now we should make it same. So for that, it is very easy for me to make it 8. So 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 1. Now 9 to 12, the difference is of 3x. And 1 to 4, the difference is of 3x again. Now after 24 year, so 3x according to ratio, the difference is of 3x. But actually they have moved 24 years, skipped 24 years. So the value for x is going to be 8. Now this 8 can be multiplied anywhere. I am multiplying this 8 to this part. So this gives me 72:8, which is the age of grandfather 16 years before. I have to come at the present age. There are two ways now. या तो मैं 16 ऐड करके पहले present age पर आऊं और फिर उसमें से 8 माइनस करके ये बीच का जो सेक्शन है 8 years वाला, that age ratio I have to calculate, right? 8 years ago, the ratio of my age to that of my grandfather, right? So what I will be doing? Whatever is the present age, या तो उसमें से मैं 8 माइनस कर दूं. For now, I don't know the present age, but I know 16 years, present age से 16 years before, the ratio was 72:8 for grandfather and mine age. Now, if I add 8 into this, that means ये 16 में से मैंने 8 years travel कर लिया है, right? 8 plus 8 16 and 72 plus 8 80. 16 ones are 16 fives are. So this ratio is of grandfather age with mine age. What I have to calculate? I have to get the ratio of mine age with grandfather. So mine age with grandfather's age is going to be 1:5. Okay. Next example we have the ratio of the age of a father to that of son. Father's age and son's age ratio is given to us. If the product of their age, let's say the age is 5x 2x. So product will be 5x multiplied by 2x is equals to 1000. 5x multiplied by 2x going to give me 10x square, which will be equals to 1000. This is so easy calculation. So x square value is 100. That means 10 square. We can get the value of x, which is 10. Then the father's age after 10 years. So whatever is the age of father and son right now according to ratio, that is 50 and 20. We have to add 10 into this to get the actual answer. Right? So the ratio of father's age with son's age after 10 years will be 2:1. Okay. Now quickly, please simplify this problem and give your answer in the comment box.